Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Logi Options Plus app loading problem. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. The first thing you have to do is open your browser and then go to this link. I will provide the link in the description and the pinned comment. Just visit this link and here you will get an installer. You will see some suggestions over here. Scroll down. The first try you can do is download this one and click on the save button. Double click on it. Open it. Open. Provide your Mac password. Okay. Then go again to your browser. Scroll down again and then choose this here button. This will download the patch version. Double click on it. Again double click. Open. Provide your password. Okay. If you still face the same problem, then it's an official bug. You have to wait until they give a solution. So just wait a few days and it is going to be fixed. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.